dear children, how are you today? Сәлеметсіздер балалар? Қалдарың қалай? Здравствуйте, ребята. Как ваши дела? The theme of our lesson is fiction. Бүгінгі біздің сабақ тақырыбымыз көркем әдебиет. Тема нашего урока называется художественная литература. Let's watch the video. Speaking. Do you read for pleasure? How do you choose a book? What genres of books do you like? Let's speak about this. Exercise number 2. Look at the list. What do you think are the benefits of reading? What other activities help you relax in a similar way to reading? Reading. Do you enjoy losing yourself in a good book?
14. Do you enjoy losing yourself in a good book? Well, if you do, did you know there are many more benefits to reading than entertainment? as Brendan Smith discovered. Until he was 14, Brendan hated reading. He thought it was boring and preferred to spend time watching programs on his computer and playing video games. But one holiday, he and his family stayed in a cottage with no internet connection. There was little to do in the evening once it went dark, so he picked up a copy of The Hobbit from the cottage's bookshelf and started to read. 2 days later, he was still reading. He read during car journeys, while the rest of the family swam in the sea, and as soon as he finished meals. For Brendan, it was a turning point. After The Hobbit, he read The Lord of the Rings, and then he searched for new authors. After reading a few books, he started to notice how his favourite authors used language and realised he was learning a lot of new words, slowly but surely. That had a huge effect on how Brendan wrote himself, and as a result, his marks improved at school. But what he really liked was the incidental information in books that helped him improve his general knowledge. It was fun to discover facts from fiction, and he easily picked up and remembered snippets of information, although he wasn't trying to memorize them. Brendan's experience is not surprising. Unlike watching TV programs, which can be a passive activity, reading fiction provides us with significant mental stimulation as it requires us to use our imaginations. The result is that reading increases the connections in the brain. Two benefits of this additional brain power are that we develop better memories and stronger analytical skills, which means our problem solving improves. Video games also require us to solve problems and can demand we concentrate. But a lot of activities using computers and phones reduce our ability to concentrate. On the other hand, reading helps us increase our concentration as we need to focus in order to follow the story properly. To concentrate like this, we have to ignore the outside world, and we find this relaxing. Why? Because our brains don't have lots of different competing thoughts. So, next time you feel stressed, don't switch on your computer. Pick up a book.
Exercise number 3. What would be a good title for the text? Reasons to read, just for fun. 10 ways to improve your grades. Exercise number 4. Match words from 1 to 6 with the words from A to F to make compound nouns. Homework. Ask and answer the questions.